A friend of mine just burned $4,000 fine-tuning a model for a problem RAG would have solved in an afternoon. If you're building anything with an LLM right now, the next 6 minutes will save you that mistake. I'm going to give you a 3-question framework that picks between RAG and fine-tuning every single time. We'll do the cost math, look at a real customer support example, and end with the one rule senior engineers use to decide in under 30 seconds. Let's go. Strip the buzzwords. Both RAG and fine-tuning solve the same problem. The base LLM doesn't know your stuff. Fine-tuning changes the model itself. You take an open weights model, say Llama or Mistral, and you keep training it on your data until your knowledge gets baked into the weights. Like sending the model back to school. RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, leaves the model alone. Every time a user asks, you search your documents, grab the relevant chunks, and stuff them into the prompt. The model reads them on the spot, like an open book exam. One bakes knowledge in, the other looks it up. That single distinction drives every other decision. Here's the trap. Fine-tuning sounds sophisticated. It feels like real ML. So when a PM says make it know our docs, developers default to fine-tuning. That's usually wrong. Here's why. 4 hidden costs. 1. GPU bills. A serious fine-tune of a 7 billion parameter model runs $200 to several $1,000 per training run, and you'll do more than one. You always do. 2. Data prep. Fine-tuning needs clean, labeled, instruction-formatted examples. 1,000 support tickets is not a dataset. It's raw material. 3. Staleness. The day after you fine-tune, your docs change. Your model is wrong. The only fix is another training run. 4. No citations. Fine-tuned models can't show their sources. When a customer asks where did you get that? And they will. You have nothing. RAG sidesteps all 4. When should you fine-tune? 3 questions. Any no. Use RAG. 1. Does my data change less than once a quarter? If your knowledge base updates weekly. RAG. 2. Am I teaching a style, not a fact? This is the one nobody tells you. Fine-tuning is excellent at how to talk, mediocre at what is true. 3. Do I have 1,000+ clean labeled examples? And the budget to maintain them? 3 yeses? Fine-tune. Anything else? RAG. Concrete example. Customer support bot. 10,000 questions a month. 2,000 docs. Option A. Fine-tune Llama 3.8b. Initial training. About $400. Data prep. 40 engineering hours. About $4,000. Hosted GPU endpoint. About $800 per month. Retraining. Another $400. Often monthly. Year 1 total. $18,000 to $22,000. And no citations. Option B. RAG with GPT-4o Mini and a vector database. Embed 2,000 docs once. About $2. Vector store. About $70 per month. Per query at 10,000 queries per month. About $20. Year 1. Under $1,500. Citations included. Updates instant. Same problem. 15 times difference. The rules senior engineers actually use. Start with RAG. Always. Add fine-tuning only when RAG can't deliver. And you can prove it can't. Build the RAG pipeline first, measure where it fails. If failures are about missing knowledge, fix retrieval. If failures are about style or format consistency, then a targeted fine-tune is right. The two aren't enemies. Best production systems use both. RAG for facts. A light fine-tune for voice. But you earn the fine-tune. 3 traps. 1. Fine-tuning to inject knowledge. Doesn't work. The model memorizes patterns, not facts. 2. RAG without evaluations. Build a 50-question eval set on day 1. 3. Chunking blindly. 500 token defaults destroy structured docs. Match chunking to content. So, RAG until proven otherwise. Fine-tune for style, never for facts. Always run the cost math. I made a free one-page decision checklist. 3 questions. Cost formula. A val template I use in production. Links pinned in the comments and the description. Grab it. Save your team a fine-tuning bill. And if this saved you an hour, the subscribe button's right there. See you next video.